Camping knives matter because they are the primary tool for fire prep, food processing, gear repair, and shelter construction in the backcountry. A good knife balances edge retention, toughness, weight, and corrosion resistance, while a suitable handle provides control in wet or cold conditions. In this article, I test and compare a mix of folding and fixed blade designs across price points to reveal how small design choices impact real-world performance. Product number 1. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife with 3.3-inch 8CR 13 MOV steel blade. Spyderco's Tenacious is a full flat-ground 3.3-inch blade folding knife with fiberglass reinforced nylon, or FRN, handle and a 4-position pocket clip. The 8CR 13 MOV steel blade is known for a balance of toughness and edge retention at a reasonable price, making this knife a strong entry point for EDC and camping tasks where a compact, reliable cutter is preferred. The design emphasizes one-handed operation and ambidextrous carry options, a hallmark of Spyderco's C122 family, and the blade options, plain edge, combination edge, and spider edge, allow tailoring to cutting needs such as precision work or heavy-duty tasks. In practice, the Tenacious delivers solid performance for camp chores like quick food prep, cordage cutting, and lightweight shelter tasks. The FRN handle with Spyderco's bidirectional texture provides a secure grip even when wet, though the knife remains compact enough that fatigue can set in during prolonged batoning or heavy-duty torque. The locking mechanism, liner lock, is proven and film light in action, enabling reliable blade deployment and safe closing with one hand. Edge retention on 8CR 13 MOV is adequate for general camping use, and the option to choose plain edge or spider edge broadens how you approach maintenance versus cutting feel. Product number 2. Moraneve Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife with Stainless Steel Blade. Moraneve's Companion is a dedicated fixed-blade bushcraft knife designed for reliability in diverse outdoor conditions. The 4.1-inch blade uses Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel with a formal 0.08-inch thickness paired with an ergonomic polymer handle and a protective polymer sheath. This knife emphasizes simplicity, durability, and ease of maintenance, making it a staple for campers who want a single, sturdy blade for carving, food prep, and tinder work. In-field performance centers on stability and comfort. The fixed blade provides stiffness for carving and batoning, light duty, and the polymer handle with finger guard reduces slip risk in wet or icy conditions. The blade's stainless steel offers rust resistance, and its edge holds well with proper honing. The accompanying sheath includes a belt clip, enabling secure belt or pack attachment. For campers who prioritize a straightforward, no-fuss knife, the Companion is hard to beat at this price point, though users seeking micro-edged precision or tactical deployment may prefer a different class. Product number 3. Smith & Wesson's Extreme Ops. Smith & Wesson's Extreme Ops is a folding knife built for everyday carry with a 3.1-inch blade, 7CR 17 MOV stainless steel, and a black aluminum handle. It features a liner lock, quick deployment via a thumb stud, jimping, and optional serrations for utility tasks. The design leans into accessibility and value with a focus on everyday tasks rather than heavy-duty survival work. In practice, the Extreme Ops performs well for camp chores like cutting cordage, food prep, and quick tool tasks. The combination of a moderate blade length, lightweight, and ambidextrous settings makes it comfortable for GC-style tasks and casual hikes. The 7CR 17 MOV steel is economical and serviceable, though it won't hold an edge as long as higher-end steels under sustained use. The knife's lifetime warranty adds confidence for casual adventurers who want a budget-friendly option with reasonable capability. Product number 4. Amazon Basics Color-Coded Dishwasher-Safe Kitchen 12-Piece Knife Set. This is a kitchen-focused 12-piece set repurposed for general cutlery tasks, featuring 6 color-coded blades: Peri, Utility, Santoku, carving, chefs, and bread, plus blade guards for safe storage. The set uses stainless steel blades with a non-stick coating and an ergonomic plastic handle. It's marketed primarily for kitchen use and cross-contamination reduction rather than rugged outdoors work, but it's often used by campers who want a low-cost, versatile set for kitchen prep at camp. In practical terms, these blades excel on food prep and light camp tasks in a stable kitchen environment or a car camping setup. The color coding helps prevent cross-contamination, and the non-stick coating reduces sticking for quick meals. However, the set is not dishwasher safe, which can complicate on-trail maintenance, and the blades are generally thinner and shorter than dedicated outdoor models, limiting tasks like heavy chopping or batoning. The plastic handles are comfortable but less rugged than metal handles found on outdoor knives. Product number 5. Astor Cook Knife Set. Astor Cook's 12-piece color-coded kitchen knife set targets budget-conscious cooks with color distinction and dishwasher-safe operation. The set includes 6 core knives and blade guards, with high-carbon stainless steel and an anti-rust coating for added corrosion resistance. It's pitched as a versatile kitchen solution that also happens to be a compact option for light camping use when you need a broad toolkit for meal prep. In use, the blades deliver reliable everyday kitchen performance, with color coding to minimize cross-contamination and anti-rust coating to resist staining. The dishwasher safe claim is a convenience factor for home cleaning, but field use still benefits from hand washing to preserve coating and edge. The included guards protect blades in drawers and during transport, though in outdoor contexts, durability and edge retention will be lower than dedicated outdoor fixed blades. For campers who want a budget kitchen set that can be lightly used at camp, this is a reasonable option.